No. Immediately and report your assigned outdoor assembly point.
Get far back by the yard, by the building! Look. Let's do this drill.
Remember, did you start your timer?
Yeah.
Turn it, pull it down, and push it back in.
There we go. Switch keys.
That looks like a speaker, but it's not.
Right there.
What is that, Cat?
Hit it again. Hold it down for just a second. Okay, we're good. All right.
Thank you.
And that.
Attention. An emergency situation has been detected in this building. Proceed to the nearest exit and leave the building. Do not re-enter the building until directed to by the proper authorities.
Jacoby's World. Very nice. Oh man. EST speaker strobe. Yeah, that's just a strobe. See, look at this. You got the actual speaker there, and then you have that's just a strobe. See, there's no horn chip in there, so that's just a remote strobe. So if that goes off, this will just flash. That's not the horn. LOL.